Now we are going to learn the particle "ne," and we use "ne" at the end of a sentence to be a question sentence. And "ne" is different from "ma." We use particle "ma" to ask yes/no question, but we use "ne" to ask more information. Example, the statement here is 我是台湾人。我是台湾人。I'm Taiwanese. I tell you about my nationality. And I want to know how about you. So I put "ne" after 你, the subject. And to ask more about information about you. What's your nationality? Where are you from? So, 我是台湾人。你呢? How about you? The answer can be "我是日本人." Of course, you can add 我不是台湾人。我是日本人。You can answer longer sentence, that's no problem. And we ask more information from the previous course. Okay, let's see the second example. 疑文姓王. The statement is 疑文姓王. 姓 surname, family name. So I want to know about, how about 中民's surname? So I add 呢 after 中民. 中民呢? And how about the information about 中民? And here we can answer 中民姓李 to answer the information 姓. Got it? Okay, now let's see more examples. The first one. 我是日本人。你呢? The previous course is the information about nationality, right? 我是日本人。And I want to know, how about your nationality? 你呢? So B answer, 我是台湾人。Nationality, nationality. 小林小姐. Here, 小姐. Third tone and third tone. Do you remember? Third tone and third tone. We change the formal third tone to second tone. So we pronounce 小姐，小姐。Okay， 小林小姐叫由美。Here the same 有 third tone， 美 third tone. So we pronounce this formal third tone to second tone 由美。Okay， 小林小姐叫由美。叫 after 叫 is a noun, right? So I want to know the information about noun. So 李先生呢 What's the given name of 李先生 Here, the answer is 李先生先生 male. So he, right? 他叫钟明 The information about name. So we answer name. Got it? Okay, repeat after me. 小林小姐叫由美。李先生呢？他叫钟明。王太太很累。Oh, here. The previous clause is something about statement 累 this statement. So I want to know 王先生 tired or not? 王先生呢 The answer 他不累。他不累。Of course, if 王先生 tired too, we can answer 他也很累。We can use this 也 to means also. He is also tired, very tired. Same to 王太太。Okay, repeat after me. 王太太很累。王先生呢？他不累。他也很累。Okay, see you next time. Bye.